Greetings, internets. My name is Ken Godboat Bailey, lead modeler and assistant art director here at Laser Pegs. And today, right behind me, we have one of our examples of a large build. Can you guess what it is? That's right, it's a helicopter. This helicopter consists of 6 different colors, utilizing 4,991 separate things. I know what you're thinking. Ken, 5,000 pegs is a lot of pieces. I don't know if I can fit that inside my house. You don't have to use 5,000 pieces. Maybe you can build something like this. Get your helicopter kit today at laserpegs.com.